Hey, it's Jay. In this video, I wanted to go through the overall process of what I do when I've got all my sounds ready. For a bit of context, our game Omni is a work in progress, and we wanted to start out by making some animated prototypes that give an idea of what the game could be like. The scene you just saw is an example of one. Once the initial animation is completed, my job is to synchronize all the sounds it's going to need. What you're looking at right now is a sped up version of me adding sounds to the section where our character Alyssa pulls a sword from a stump. Sometimes I do this in a different order, but usually first I'll bring in multiple takes of the sounds I want to use and I play them back in Pro Tools. I pick the ones I like and I get rid of the others. I bring these selected sounds together and put them generally in the area of animation. Then I begin the back and forth process of applying fades onto the sounds and nudging them around until they all line up with the animation. The last step is usually adjusting the volume of the sounds until they sound balanced. When all of this is done, I play the section back one more time. My process is essentially the same for all of the other sounds. Compared to how I record my sounds, it's generally a more streamlined workflow. Here you can see me working with the grass footsteps that I had recorded previously. Same as before, I synchronized them to Alyssa's walking animation through the forest. Sometimes I have to tinker with the sounds a bit. In these last clips, I was trying to craft a sound to go along with the sword glowing at the end of the animation. I didn't actually know what to record in specific, but I figured some kind of resonating metal could work. I recorded a few different metal plates and tubes and brought the clips in. I tried listening to them individually, and just as an example, and I also tried combining different clips together. It turned out that cutting certain parts of each clip out and putting the rest together created the effect I was looking for. Once I had that figured out, it was simple enough to sync it all together like I did for the other sounds. So yeah, that's my basic process for sound sync, at least for now. One day Omni might become interactive, and then I could show the process for syncing sounds in-game. But until then, thanks for watching.